Hello everyone, you come back. Right now, let's practice English with me. Let's go.
This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words wet and one and when, and in the middle of the word beware. You can also hear it in the words quick and queen. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Wet. One. When. Beware. Quick. Queen. Okay. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words yet, use, yellow, and useful. Now some consonants also take this sound when they come before the vowel oo. Listen. Beauty, few, cute, accuse. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Yet, use, yellow, useful, beauty, few, cute, accuse. Okay.
Warm,
Warm. Water. Word. Want. Will. Wait. Wife.
wise,
Wise.
woman,
Woman. Sweet. What? Where?
Warm water.
Warm water. Sweet words. What do you want? Where will you wait?
His wife is a wise woman.
His wife is a wise woman.
year,
Year. You. Yes. Young.
yard,
Yard.
yoga,
Yoga.
view,
View. New. Beautiful. Use. University. Student.
A new year.
A new year. A beautiful view. Did you say yes?
I often use this yard to do yoga.
I often use this yard to do yoga.
You're a young university student.
You're a young university student. Yes, this is the sound so easy. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.